Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, I am Pallavi and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable, where we are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days created by India's most loved chefs. So today we are going to make paneer and potato cigars. I know, जब बच्चे रेगुलर खाने से एब्सोल्युटली बोर हो जाते हैं तो हम मॉम्स का असली टैलेंट सामने आता है जब हम पराठे से बनाते हैं केसरिया और रोटी का बनाते हैं पिज़्ज़ा. Similarly, this recipe is a very interesting take on sandwich. So let's start making. हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. So, to start making our beautiful bread cigars, we are going to first heat some oil. Now, we'll add some garlic, some finely chopped onions, and now we'll just saute it. Now, we'll add our fibrous vegetables, some bell peppers. Just mix it. Some chopped green beans, mix it. Now it's time to add our wonderful Kissan Tomato Ketchup. You know, Kissan Tomato Ketchup gives that refreshing tomato punch and also keeps our bread cigars moist and nice till the lunchtime. And some protein with delicious paneer and थोड़ा सा आलू. अब हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्च, थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला और थोड़ा सा नमक. अच्छे से मिला लीजिए. So our quick, healthy and delicious stuffing is ready. चलिए बनाते हैं थोड़े से bread cigars. For that I have bread. I'll just cut the ends. We'll just apply a little bit of water on our bread. अब हम इसे थोड़ा सा बेल लेंगे. अच्छे से पानी लगाने से ब्रेड के सारे पोर्स सील हो जाते हैं and then they absorb very less oil while getting seared in the pan. अब हम रखेंगे अपनी delicious सी stuffing in the center. अब बस हम इसे रोल कर लेंगे. So our bread cigar roll is ready. Similarly, हम दो और बना लेंगे. रख लेंगे थोड़ी सी स्टफिंग. बस जस्ट इसे रोल कर दीजिए. अब हम अपने ब्रेड सिगार्स को पैन में सीयर कर लेंगे. Very teeny tiny bit of oil. I'll just put my bread cigars. We'll just sear these bread cigars till they are golden brown. Now we'll just flip them. So my bread cigars are ready. Let's pack the tiffin box. So crunchy from outside and moist and mushy from inside. Now we'll add some walnuts, some pomegranates. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do hit the like button, subscribe to India Food Network. Share the video with all your friends and family ताकि घर घर में बने हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.